At this point, y'all already know what it is. Pennsylvania, it's time. Come get this work. Top trade schools, Pennsylvania. Come get this work. So today we're about to slide through the heartbeat of industrial innovation. From the steel cities of Pittsburgh to the bustling naval yards of Philadelphia, the whole state of Pennsylvania is experiencing a Rust Belt revival. Last week, we witnessed Ohio's resurgence. The once forgotten Rust Belt regions are rebounding. Try to say that 3 times fast. Let's check out which institutions are driving this revival and shaping Pennsylvania's future. Before we get into this episode, I want to shoot a special thanks to this episode's sponsor, the Pittsburgh Steelers and Troy Polamalu. Not really, but if you want to sponsor one of these episodes in the future, if we haven't done your state, holler at me in the comments. Coming in at number 3, Pennsylvania College of Technology. Pennsylvania College of Technology sets the tone with an impressive 96% placement rate for all graduates of their manufacturing and engineering programs. What really sets them apart though is their state-of-the-art facilities and their focus on industry partnerships, internships, and hands-on learning. At the Larry Ward Machining Technology Center, students have access to a 1,400 square foot state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line technology center, boasting 50 brand new machines, providing them with invaluable practical experience. With strong industry connections with companies like Lycoming and Track Machine Tools, students gain invaluable real-world experience. Additionally, the college offers unique dual enrollment programs, ensuring accessibility and affordability for all aspiring machinists, manufacturers, and engineers. The best part is, this flexible, affordable, accessible 2-year associate's degree seamlessly transfers into their bachelor's program. Number 2, Community College of Philadelphia. Community College of Philadelphia shines with an impressive 95% placement rate for their graduates of their advanced manufacturing and engineering program. What really stands out is they put their money where their mouth is, with their commitment to provide students with cutting-edge facilities and resources. The college recently unveiled its brand new $40 million Career and Advanced Technology Center, equipped with state-of-the-art labs and machines. Additionally, CCP's I Am More Reentry Engagement Program provides support and resources for individuals that have been justice impacted trying to re-enter the workforce, further demonstrating the college's dedication to accessibility and inclusivity for all. Strong local industry ties with companies in aerospace and down at the Navy Yard ensure students have unparalleled internship opportunities and jobs when they graduate. Number 1, Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology. Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology is leading the pack. I'm talking about a true pillar of career-focused education, boasting a commendable 98% placement rate for graduates in their manufacturing and engineering programs. What distinguishes Thad Stevens from the rest are a couple of things. They make major investments in the success of their students, not only competing and placing very high every year in top manufacturing competitions like Skills USA and Project MFG, giving their students exposure and money in their pockets. But their commitment to excellence doesn't stop there, as seen by their $20 million investment in the Grenier Advanced Manufacturing Center. It truly underscores the college's commitment to providing students with the best industry-relevant machines and equipment and tools. That's 60,000 square feet of advanced manufacturing greatness. Not to mention an additional $1 million Gene Haas Foundation sponsored computer integration machining lab with state-of-the-art facilities and machines, affordability programs, and dual enrollment. There's no wonder why graduates are getting high-quality, high-tech, high-paying jobs at dope companies like Harley Davidson and Bosch. It's a wrap for the Keystone State. And as always, Let me know what you think about my list. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a comment below. Let me know who I missed and why they should be better than one of these colleges that I named, and we can consider them for the next round. That's it for the Keystone State. Y'all have been amazing. Stay tuned next week as we explore the top trade schools in Kentucky. Until then, like, subscribe, and share with a friend.